y'all, it's your girl Kim. Alright, so I got a Fashion Nova try on haul for you guys, and you're gonna have to watch to the end of the video if you want to know my overall thoughts on Fashion Nova or on these items that I got. So recently I ordered just a few stuff, like I think about four items from Fashion Nova. This bag that came in. I just really felt like I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. But anyways, before we get into this video, I just want to say, because I'm sure you guys noticed, so this is my new recording room, and as of right now it's pretty empty. So that would explain why you're hearing all this reverb, and it probably sounds really annoying, but I apologize, and I'm gonna try to get it situated as soon as possible. But anyways, let's get into the video, because I know that's why you're here, so let's go. So I also wanted to mention that I have opened these items already, and I have tried them on already, so I already know what I think about them. But I decided I needed to share it with you. So I'm gonna be just pulling the items out of the bag one at a time in no particular order. The first thing I want to mention is this outfit. It came in a clear bag, pretty much. Just like this. It says Fashion Nova right here, and it tells you exactly what the item is. Alright, so pulling the item right out of the bag. First thing, this item actually does not have a smell. It smells, I don't know, like basic new clothes. You know what that smell is. It smells like new clothes, new shoes. This is what it looks like, and these items were all on sale, so I caught a little sale the other day, and I just decided to pick up a few stuff. But anyways, boom. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can come in, show you guys details. The fabric is pretty stretchy, it's all right on the stretch. This was a small, I believe. This item was this was an extra small, and this is what it looks like. Pants come all the way down to the bottom. Got red detail on the side, on each side, which is actually what I really liked about it. I thought it was really cute. I'm going to show you what it looks like on and what it looked like on the model, so you can kind of compare if it really looked how it was supposed to look. And this is the top that came with it, because it is a matching set. I really like this one. The quality is pretty nice, It's not like sheer, like I'm holding it up against the light and you can't like see through it or anything, which is great. So that's what it looks like, plain black back side. And yeah, so numero dos. Alright, so this item comes in the back like this. For some reason, I noticed that this item came in a different type of bag. Like all the other bags are just like these, like plastic, and this is more like scrunchy, like, so I can tell that this is from somewhere completely different. As well as the other thing that was a giveaway to this item is this item, all the writing on the bag. It was a whole bunch of Chinese and all types of different stuff. Well, actually it's a whole bunch of different languages. But let me just shut up about the bag, because I'm sure y'all don't care about bags. This is what this item looks like. This, like a little tank top type situation, and it's like an orange camouflage, which I thought was really cute, because it's about to be fall, so I just thought it would be real nice. And boom, it's like a little short, because I live down south, so it really don't get like freezing cold down here anyway, so I can get away with wearing this for at least a couple more months. And the material itself is like, it's not bad, it's really stretchy, like extremely stretchy. but I'm going to just show you what this looks like on. I'm going to show you what the problem with this is. And this is a size small as well. Doesn't smell funny or anything, but yeah, this is this romper. The next item I ordered is also a romper, but this one is all black, and these are supposed to be two different types of rompers, but I don't know. You guys can tell me the differences you see. I mean, I see small differences in the stitching, but basically it's the same thing in my opinion. And this one is just black. It's also small, so it's black and white. Tank top, comes all the way down, has a line in the back. It's red, you know, stitching down the back. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Pretty stretchy as well. Doesn't have a smell. This is less stretchy than the other romper though. This one feels definitely like a different type of fabric. The final item that I got was this tracksuit, and it's a two-piece set, mustard. And when I saw this online, this is probably my what I was most excited to get, and I'm especially upset about this item just because I'm not even gonna show you just yet, because when it came down to it, I was deciding between this item and another two-piece suit that was in this print. And I was just like, you know what, let me think about what I would be most likely to wear out, like easy, you know. I don't really think I have a yellow or yellow type jumpsuit or anything like that, and I think yellow looks really nice on black people. So I was just like really excited for this, and I was so disappointed. Let me just show you guys why I am frustrated with this two-piece set. First of all, this is the bottom, and looking at it, you can't really tell what the problem is, but I'm gonna show you in a second. So this is the bottom. Waist is really nice. It's a size small. Has a Fashion Nova stitching in it. This string doesn't actually pull to tighten, so beware of that if you're thinking of ordering it a size up. If you need to tighten the waist, you won't be able to pull the string. So waist is as is. It has one single white stripe down the side all the way down to the bottom, and yeah, this is what it looks like. And then the top is a mustard / yellow hoodie that's supposed to go with it. It has this, you can actually pull the strings on these, and it also has a white stripe on the side, and everything else is pretty plain. Now you're probably looking at it and wondering what my problem with it is. Let me show you. So I'm gonna hold them up side by side. Do you see this? It's two obviously different shades of yellow, and online it's supposed to be a set. I ordered it as a set. It says mustard. The bottoms look yellow and the top looks mustard. I just feel like I'm gonna look crazy wearing this together, even though it came as an item that's supposed to be worn together, which is kind of frustrating because it's just I mean, what am I gonna do with just a random yellow bottom and a completely different shade top? And I can't return it because it's a sale item, and it's just frustrating. I don't know if this is the reason why it was on sale in the first place. They saw it and realized, okay, no, that's not gonna work, so they decided to put it on sale or whatever. But I don't know, I feel like if that's the case, they should have said something, because I definitely would not have ordered it if I had known that it was gonna come in two different shades of yellow. What am I supposed to do with this right now? I'm actually genuinely really confused. I don't know what to do. It just is so obvious. Like, I don't know if there's a way to fix it. Like, it's just crazy. And you'll see what it looks like tried on. It looks very obvious. It's just crazy. I probably would wear it probably at night or something where it's not that obvious, but I definitely would not wear this out in the daytime. Like, this is ridiculous. The fabric is also pretty thin. It's thinner than I thought it would be, but whatever, you know? Okay, so overall, I mean, I'm okay with the items that I got. I'm just a little bit disappointed because I feel like I've ordered things from Fashion Nova on several occasions and they've always been good quality. I've had issues with things such as like you order stuff and then it actually not be available and they don't give you a refund, they just give you store credit to order something else, or your stuff take pretty long to come or something. I've had those issues, but I've never actually had an issue with the clothes once it gets there. So this was kind of a shock to me. That's why I was so quick to buy their stuff, because I was just like, you know, Fashion Nova always has good quality stuff. Even buying the stuff at regular price, I normally would not have an issue, even though their stuff is a little bit on the pricier side. But I don't know, I was really disappointed with some of the items. Some of like the other items that I wasn't completely disappointed with were just like okay, you know, like if I could go back in time, I probably would not repurchase any of this. I probably would just buy stuff somewhere else. But I'm not gonna say anything bad about Fashion Nova just because, as I said, I've ordered from them multiple times and got really nice items. So overall, Fashion Nova is usually really good with quality items. And I'm sure you know that because there's tons of people online rocking Fashion Nova, especially lately. I don't know if that's probably what the issue was, because the last time I shopped on Fashion Nova was probably about a year and a half ago, and I feel like lately with all the celebrities and stuff really like wearing Fashion Nova and posting their stuff and all the major like attention that they've been getting, I don't know if that's why the quality has gone down due to, you know, an increased amount of orders or something. But I don't know, I don't feel like I should have to sit here and try to understand what happened with my order. I don't feel like I feel like if I spent money on it, it should be good, you know. But anyways, shop at your own risk. I will purchase stuff from them again in the future. Hopefully I get good orders so I can come on here and show you guys my awesome clothes and tell you guys all the awesome things that I think about it. But as for this order, I will not sit here and lie to you guys. And yeah, just tell me what you think about these outfits. Which one's your favorite? And tell me some good online stores to shop on, because I'm usually home all the time. I'm definitely a homebody. I'm definitely a homebody, and I'm always looking for new cute items online that I can buy. And the only thing that makes me nervous about shopping online is you never know what you're gonna get, and sometimes returns can be a hassle, especially if the items came from China. So whew, that being said, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Are you guys excited for the fact that I officially have a studio room now? So I'm about to have tons of videos coming to you guys. As of this month, I'm really gonna try to make every single schedule, which is every Wednesday and Friday. So look out for it. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below, let me know what you think about these items. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Let me know what you think about the quality, everything, you know. And give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and until next time, bye!